Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today I'm showing you simple tips and tricks about Cisco Packet Tracer, which gives you more easier. So this is the Packet Tracer. I'm opening this Packet Tracer software. Now open. Today I'm showing you simple tricks and tips how to use the Cisco Packet Tracer. So firstly, I'm introducing you some devices. This is the network device, and this is the in device. In device means like computer, server, printer, IP phone, etc. And this is the some board, and this is the network device. Network device means router and switch. So whatever you want to use, everything you found from this menu. So first thing, if I'm taking a router, that means 2901 router I'm taking. So its text is too small. How to increase the size of text? Font size increase. So go to option, go to preference, and go to front, and here you can change the size of the front. I'm changing the size of the front, and now I'm apply. Here you can see that the font size has been increased. So from here you can change the font size. So if you change the then you can see here CLI. This is too small, and if you want to see this text, it's too small. So to increase this text size, go to option, go to preference, and front. This is the CLI. So you can change the front style and front size. I'm choosing this 16. Now apply and check it from there. So you can see this font size already increased, and you not have a magnifying glass, so you can clearly see it. So now I am show you. I'm now connecting from this in device. I'm connecting a PC or laptop or server, and from network device. From this is network device. I'm choosing a switch. This is the switch. So I can connect everything from here, and if you delete anything, first you select this option. This is named delete, and I'm selecting already this laptop, so I'm clicking here, so it's deleted. I'm click this server option. Now delete it. This is the delete option, and this is the select option. You can select and pressing the right button, and you move this router or any other device on Cisco Packet Tracer. And if you connect this all device, so use the wire. So this is all wire. If you know this wire name, so you can see the below here is the wire name. So I connect this wire first, Giga Ethernet to our switch, Ethernet console, and connect Ethernet to switch. Okay, you can change this tags and this tags. This is the name which given by the Cisco Packet Tracer 3560, and this already exists in physical router. So, and this is the PC. PT means the packet tracer. So yeah, if you change this font size and the level, So go to option, preference, and go to show level, show device model level. Click. So name of this device already is gone. So you can see in this difference. So this is the device name level. Device name level, that means name already has visualized or not visualized. Everything depend on you. Show the port level. Port level means this level. So if you always mark the true port level, I'm recommending you to mark always this port level, because if you configuring the switch or any other device, you must have to you must have need it this interface. So always show port level in logical workspace. I think I'm recommending you always put this tick mark, and everything depend on you. And you can change from here this name. I think its name would be R1 router. So you can change any name. S1, PC1. One important thing, one important thing there is option. Go to option, go to preference, and go to miscellaneous. Here you can see that simulation buffer behavior. Always put a tick mark, because it's required for your simulation. If you simulate anything, any project from simulate option, this is the very important thing for your Cisco Packet Tracer. Go to preference and miscellaneous. Go to miscellaneous and put this tick mark on and apply, and simulate the buffer action. You can choose prompt or auto clean event list. It's all, everything depend on you. So prompt is a default option, so it's good, not bad. And from interface or from front, apply. And first thing you can see, here is the green and that is the red. Red means that is not activate, even that is activate. To activate this, you can must configure this switch and router. So next class I will show you how to configure and switch and router, and how to configure from the by the console. Everything I show you. Thank you.